Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video on my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the latest COVID-19 information provided by our Governor Henry McMaster. And all this information is coming from scdhec.gov. Later in this video, I'm going to be going over how many confirmed cases are in some counties. I'm not listing all of them, but if you want to know exactly how many cases are in your county, be sure to check out scdhec.gov for all information related to COVID-19 information in the state of South Carolina. But as of yesterday, the South Carolina Department of Health and Environmental Control, also known as DHEC, announced 276 new cases of COVID-19 and 2 additional deaths. This brings the total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases to 3,931 confirmed cases and 109 deaths. Now, here are just a few of the counties. Here are just a few numbers of the amount of cases in some counties. Okay, so in Aiken County there is 3 confirmed cases. In Anderson County there is 7. In Beaufort County there is 3. In Charleston County there is 23. In Darlington there is 5. In Dillon there is 3. In Florence there is 16. In Georgetown, there is 1. In Horry, there is 5. In Marlboro, there is 4. In McCormick, there is 1. In Richland, there is 29. In Spartanburg, there is 8. And last but not least, in Sumter, there is 7. But once again, if I did not list your exact county, be sure to check out scdhec.gov. That is scdhec.gov. Now, as far as testing goes, DHEC's Public Health Laboratory has conducted 11,279 tests for COVID-19. Of these tests, 1,370 tested positive and 9,901 were negative. As far as statewide goes, there has been 36,284 tests done. Now, let's go to hospital bed capacity. As of yesterday morning, 5,074 hospital beds are available, and 6,283 were utilized, which is 55.3 statewide hospital bed utilization rate. Now, how to protect yourself? Well, everyone in this state is encouraged to stay home and minimize contact with people outside of their households to prevent the spread of this disease. Now, here are some things that you can do to minimize yourself and also your chance of being infected by COVID-19. One of them includes monitoring for symptoms. The second one is practicing social distancing, which we have been doing for the last month or 2. The third one is avoid touching frequently touched items. And the last one is definitely be sure that whenever you get home, if you're going grocery shopping or anything, be sure that you're washing your hands with plenty of soap for at least 20 seconds. A good way to know if you're washing your hands for long enough is either singing happy birthday to yourself, or just, counting to 20, or just, talking to someone while you do it. But definitely make sure that you are getting in between your fingertips and that you're washing with a lot of soap, and that you're washing for a good amount of time. Please, I cannot stress this enough. I know everybody is just as eager as me for all this coronavirus stuff to be over. But the only way that we can win this, the only way that we can win this battle is by doing these steps. Practicing social distancing. Staying away from others, washing our hands. Avoid touching our face with our hands or anything. So if we can follow these steps, I promise you hopefully we will start to see these numbers decrease. But right now we are not seeing these numbers decrease. So that is why, kids, if you're wondering why we're still out of school, this is why we are still out of school, because we have not seen a decrease in the number of cases confirmed. So please, I cannot stress this enough. Please be following everything that statewide officials have put out. Our president, Mr. Donald Trump, has put out. Our governor, Henry McMaster, has put out. And if you're listening not in South Carolina, be sure that you're listening to your statewide governor for the latest information about COVID-19. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just uploaded another video, a video before this. It's going to be the forecast for this weekend. So definitely be sure to check that out. And I will be trying to be doing a broadcast tonight with some more information about COVID-19, not just in the state, but also worldwide. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe.